Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios and this is Makeup Battle Season 2. I'm here today for a head-to-head makeup battle between Jasmine and Poppy. Before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Kayla was the winner of last week's contest. She won 68% of the vote at makeupbattle.com. Congratulations, Kayla. All right, I also want to send a special shout out to Morgan for creating a really unique pop art look. Both ladies will be back for round 3 for their final battles before the fashion show. This week's episode is brought to you by the Bridget Renee brand. Bridget Renee is the lipstick sponsor for Makeup Battle Season 2, and her products will be part of a makeup challenge next month. Okay, the challenge for today's battle is Mermaid Makeup. Poppy and Jasmine weren't able to join us today, but they both sent photos of what they created at the studio. Check it out.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl Jazz from It's Just Jazz Makeup here for round 2 of the makeup battle. I am so excited to be here once again, and this look is extremely out of my comfort zone, but I am so excited for it, and I really think that you guys are gonna like it as well. Once again, for those of you that didn't see the first episode, I am out of Durham. I'm a freelance makeup artist, really kind of getting in the swing of things. But this has been an awesome opportunity so far, and it's been awesome to see all the other girls doing their thing. So I'm just really excited. Let's go. All right, so we are here. I'm supposed to talk about my inspiration for my look. So my challenge is mermaid. First thing I thought, of course, was Ariel from The Little Mermaid. However, I didn't want to touch on that because that would be more Disney inspired. So I tried to tap into what I would do if I were going to like a cosplay type of thing. So hopefully you guys like it. I know I love it, so I'm excited to share it. Sorry, I brought you guys in closer just a little bit. Right now I have finished priming my skin, and I am now doing my brows and concealing them, and also gonna conceal like little blemishes here and there that I noticed that I have this morning. My brow color is trash, but we're gonna keep rolling with it because I have not been able to find a good brow color lately. But let's keep going. So I have my eyes done for the most part, and now the tricky part is kind of my more intricate details for my look. This actually gave me a lot of trouble, more than I expected today. It didn't do that when I practiced it, but oh well. However, now I'm going to be adding some scales or powder looking scales on the sides of my face. So we're gonna get into that. So I have added my mermaid scales. Basically took some weaving net and had it over my face and had to pat the loose pigments on my face. But yes, this is what it looks like. And now I'm just gonna add some more glitter and a little other minor details. All right, so now I have obviously changed my hair, but while that is still trying to do its thing and set, I'm about to add my finishing details, and then we will move on from there. So I have added all of my little decals and whatnot on to my face. I'm really pleased with it. It took longer than I expected. However, I do like how it came out along with like the glitter and everything. I've added my lashes. Now the last thing I have to do is just add my lipstick and change my clothes. All right, I just wanted to come on here with my lipstick before I changed and just, it's a vibe. I'm here for it. Would I go out in public like this? Not really, but now I'm gonna change. And we are done. This is the finished look. I love it. I chose this hair with it because I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's supposed to be like a rose goldy blonde with like darker roots. And it also has some sparklies are in it. But I chose it because it was more of like a beachy wave type of wig, and it's extremely long.
Hey guys, it's Poppy. I'm gonna do a mermaid look today. I'm just gonna basically do like a lot of blues and purples. I'm gonna use these sparkles and like a lot of random gems and just eccentric, colorful stuff. And hopefully it looks somewhat like the human epitome of a mermaid. Actually, in real life, they're kind of ugly as fuck and they look like fish, but hi, this is about halfway done. I'm sort of using my hands to create more emphasis and give more pigment, especially around the eyes. I was using my pinky for the blues, and then just sort of digging everything in there over and over. It's kind of like playing with clay at this point. My hands are so blue, but I am nowhere near finished actually, so. So I tried this sock thing. I don't know if you can really see. It didn't give like as defined of a design that I wanted, but it's fine. You know, all that matters is the little nose has got some of that stuff. I kind of look like a cleaner, Mr. Clean. But I'm gonna do the eyeliner and the glitter and it's just gonna make sense. I am done. This is the final look.
All right, guys, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 2. Be sure to vote online at www.makeupbattle.com. We'll announce the winner on next week's show at 9 p.m. Bye.